Hi. Can you smile? Can you smile? Smile. Smile. Amy. Hi. Scooter, make Amy smile. Go get the clown. Get the clown.
Hi, Amy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Sees the clown. Hey, poodly doodly doo, doodly 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 doodly doo. Wait, doodly doodly doo. Wait, we want to get Amy smiling, not for the camera. Doodly doodly doo. Okay, you make her smile. Doodly doodly doo. Doodly doodly doo. Doodly doodly doo. Doodly doodly doo. Doodly doodly doo.
And that's it for today, folks. Anything else you have to say, Mommy? Closing comments?
Not really. Here, let me get you on camera. Hold on. Daddy, come here.
No.
Come here.
Funny.
No, you don't.
I look funny.
I look funny. Here's Amy Brown. Isn't she pretty? She's all dressed and ready for the new day.
Hello, I'm here. I'm Aunt, your Ethel, your babysitter. Is your little girl ready for the babysitting today?
She sure is.
Where is the little woman? Excuse my legs. I wore my shorts today.
I'm sorry, but that's unacceptable. We don't want our children exposed to that kind of thing.
Well, that's what's called for. It's kind of warm in here. And where's the little woman? Right over
Well,
here.
look who's coming.
It's the green blanket.
It's the green monster.
Oh, my. Okay, let's just see how the little girl's doing here. Hello, Amy. Hello.